Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blackfort coin. Ticker symbol is BXN. Now this token is getting two very big central exchange listings tomorrow. We're going to go over the information on the Blackfort coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So Blackfort is a cutting-edge blockchain platform designed to be a top-tier layer 1 blockchain. It is EVM compatible, boasting fast transaction speeds, scalability, security, and efficiency. Utilizing the POSA consensus algorithm, it offers straightforward access for users to become delegators. Now, they have a full white paper, which you can find on their webpage, blackfort.exchange. Very lengthy white paper. I believe it said there's like 32 pages, a very tiny print. They have a total supply of 49,999,999,999 BXN coins. You can find their Explorer at explore.blackfort.network. It says average block time is 5 seconds. They've had over 1.29 million total transactions. Over 7.29 million total blocks, and over 122,400 wallet addresses. So that's where you can find their Explorer. Their Telegram has 43,849 members. 869 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. On their Telegram and on their Twitter as well, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there, you can find a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. And their Twitter you can find at Blackfort BXN, 490 tweets. They have their Telegram linked on there, 52,200 Twitter followers. Which brings me to where this token's being listed. So tomorrow, at exactly April 2nd, 12 o'clock UTC time, this token will be listed on Lbank and on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this coin and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search BXN, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. So their webpage is blackfort.exchange. Over there you can find information about their NFTs, the blockchain, blog articles, contact information, info about the network. There's a help button, all sorts of info on here. So it looks like they're also being listed on Bitfinex at the same time as well. So Mexc Global, Lbank, and Bitfinex, and then more central exchanges it says to follow as well. So Blackfort Exchange Network has a blockchain, storage, and an ecosystem. So you can download the Blackfort wallet. That's if you're going to purchase this coin from a decentralized way, if you want to, or you want to transfer it from a central exchange to a decentralized wallet. You can download the specific Blackfort wallet off their webpage. They have links to their socials. So they also have a CertiK KYC And they have a CertiK top 10 watched. I haven't even seen that button before, but that's interesting. Top 10% watched. Maybe that's some form of an audit or something. But yeah, CertiK is a leading auditor, so that's great that they have that type of stuff there on their webpage. So you could review that at your leisure. Check it out at blackfort.exchange. I always recommend checking out audits and KYCs and all that stuff before even thinking about getting tokens. So at Blackfort, we specialize in creating innovative blockchain-based products and services. Our offerings include client-side wallet applications, layer 1 blockchain technology, efficient payment solutions, and secure smart contracts. We are committed to providing the best possible solutions for our customers. The Blackfort is an innovative blockchain platform that has all the attributes needed for a top-tier blockchain. It is a layer 1 blockchain that is EVM compatible, fast, scalable, secure, and efficient. With POSA and easy access to become a delegator, transparency is a key priority for Blackfort, ensuring that all parties in a transaction have the information they need to feel secure. This combination of features makes Blackfort an ideal platform for anyone looking to build a blockchain-based solution. So a cryptocurrency smart chain explorer is a tool that provides users with access to blockchain data associated with a given cryptocurrency. It can be used to view the transactions in blockchain or blocks associated with a particular altcoin, as well as the address balances, network hash rate, and block rewards. The information provided can be used to analyze the activity of a given blockchain network. They also have auditing code from CertiK. It says here, auditing is an important step for a cryptocurrency project. They talk about their entire CertiK audit report that they got that you can check out there. And then POSA, like I mentioned, is proof of staked authority, and it's efficient and a secure way to validate a cryptocurrency smart chain. So BXN blockchain has implemented this system and is reaping the rewards with over 60,000 delegators from over 120 countries. It ensures that the network is well distributed, and this allows for a much greater level of decentralization and security than other POS or POW methods, as well as increased scalability. BXN blockchain is clearly at the forefront of the latest technologies and is an excellent example of the benefits of using POSA. So 59% of the tokens or the coins go to production of all nodes, 21% locked in all nodes, 8.13% liquidity reserve, 4% tokenization bonus, 3.37% pre-sale block bonus, and 4.5% to team, airdrop, creator fund, creator gas, and charity. So check it all out. You can download their wallet from their page. They have coin tokens, and NFTs can be stored in the wallet. They have a swap function. You can buy and sell with fiat. And then they have BXN token as the utility token for the whole ecosystem. They're also going to offer something called Blackfort Pay that you'll be able to find at blackfortpay.com. And their team is doxed on the page with LinkedIn addresses, and there's a whole bunch of links at the very bottom of their webpage as well. Blackfort.exchange. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.